In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play audio files in Google Drive. Whether you're using Google Drive for storage, sharing, or both, it can be quite handy to know how to play your audio files right from the platform itself without requiring any additional software. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Google Drive page. You'll see your files and folders listed here if you've uploaded anything before. This interface will be our workspace for this task. Now, to start playing an audio file, you first need to upload it if it isn't already in your drive. Look towards the top left corner of the page, and you'll spot a colorful plus sign labeled New. Click on this button. A small menu will populate, showing a range of options for you to choose from. From here, you'll want to select File Upload. Once you click on File Upload, your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to search through your local files. Navigate to the location on your computer where the audio file is stored. Click on the audio file you want to upload, and then click on Open in the file browser window. You'll notice that your file begins uploading to Google Drive, typically indicated by a progress bar at the bottom right of the screen. Depending on the size of your file and the speed of your internet connection, this might take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, the audio file will appear in your Google Drive. You'll recognize it by its file name and perhaps by a music icon, indicating it's an audio file. To play the audio file, all you have to do is double-click on it. A new window will open in your browser, showing a simple audio player interface. You'll see a play button, which you simply click to start listening to your audio. The audio player will allow you to play, pause, and even adjust the volume of your file. Please note that not all audio file formats may be supported directly. However, popular formats like MP3 and WAV typically work without issue. And that's it. You now know how to easily play audio files stored in your Google Drive. It's a straightforward process that enhances how you interact with audio content stored in the cloud. Feel free to explore more of Google Drive's capabilities and tailor the experience to suit